everyone, welcome to Succulent by Vonny's channel. This is my very first video on YouTube. So today I would like to share with you my experience on how or what I did when I received this Chinese Dunce Cap, which I received it 2 days ago. And when I got it, it was so sad looking, so limping, so just they're all the leaves, the little branches were just laying down the soil helplessly. And well, honestly, that time when I received it, I was so sad to see that. But then I did something which I would like to share with you, and hopefully this will help you if you come to this kind of problem. Before I continue, I would ask your help to support my channel by subscribe my channel and then click the bell button so that every time I upload videos you will be notified. Okay, thank you very much for your support, and let's see what did I do with this beautiful Chinese Dunce Cap. So my friends, this is my Chinese Dunce Cap. When I received this 2 days ago, it did not look like this because it was in the mail and it was severely dehydrated. All the leaves and little branches right there were just laying helplessly on the ground. So what I did, I bottom water them. I took a bowl like that and then I bottom water it just like this, okay, for about an hour. Now I am not going to do that because it's already well hydrated, or it has enough water now, because you do not want it to be overwatered at the same time. So after I bottom water that, I took napkin or paper towel, I wet it like this, and then I just wrap it like that around the plant, just like that, okay? And then I left it for the whole night. In the morning when I woke up, which was yesterday morning, they are all looking like this, nice, happy, and ready to go. Okay, my friends, that really what I did. So I'm sharing this with you so you will know what to do anytime you receive or anytime you're facing this kind of situation. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. Please do not mind with the noises back there because it's the watering is running right now. So I do hope my video this time will help you in case you have the situation receiving succulent from the mail and it was so sad looking, and how to make it happy and so that it'll grow happily and healthy. Again, thank you for watching. Bye now.